Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to go over how I designed and 3D printed some fishing rod holder mounts for my e-bike. Hey guys, installation on this is pretty straightforward and simple. You basically just want to clamp the bar onto your lower rack and insert the provided 3 shorter M5 bolts, tighten them down and make sure you don't over tighten them, and you repeat the same process for the upper mount. And when you get that all done, you're going to use the longer bolts, put a washer through each one, and then insert that through the top hole and through the spacer and tighten that down to the top mount. You're going to repeat that with the bottom, and that's about it.